Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to show you how to create and share Google Drive folder in 2025, and it will be a complete beginner friendly video, and I will try my best to make it or break it step by step for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to create an folder over that. Let's just click to that folder and I will give a name that will be break share, and then I'm going to hit the create. Once I click over here, now eventually you will find out that our folder has been created. So now I just want to make it shareable folder. So how I can do it? You just need to be come over here and click to this share button, or you just need to be select this one and click your key like mouse right button, and then here you will find out this share option. Just click over here share and click to the share. Once you click over here, then the pop-up will become over here, and here you can see we have the general access, so it is restricted. Only people with access can open the link. So here you just need to provide a link who want to access or has to be the access to get this folder. So if you want to make it to anyone with the link, anyone, you just provide the link, they will show this one like this folder. So this way you can do whatever you want with this share folder. So this is the easiest way to create the folder, shareable folder in Google Drive. I hope you love this video. If you think this video was helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with another topic.